As you can see, these coils, they need a lot of help. Look at that water coming out of there. Look how dirty that stuff is. First pass, second pass, 3 passes still. There we go. That's the color of the water we want to look like. First pass, second pass, third pass. Back and forth. That right there, folks, is longevity and efficiency at its finest. Bakersfield, 114 degrees. You need all the help you can get when it comes to these units. They are not cheap, folks. Look at that water. We want it clear. We want some clear water. Yeah, like that. I already did that side, you see? Nice and clear. Come over here. Oh my goodness. Would you look at that?